Anyway, all right, let's look at that do now question, which is over here. I'm just going to close these things. We don't have those open. All right, so we want to look at Freon 11, which works as a refrigerant by refrigerators. It evaporates, and then it is going from a liquid to a gas, and we are trying to figure out from that, what is that graph supposed to look like? First question, is this an endothermic or exothermic, endothermic or exothermic reaction? Which one? Endothermic. How do we know that? Because it's positive. Yep. Again, they ask that as a very common basic achieve question. Is this reaction endothermic or exothermic? You just go, it is endothermic because it's a positive delta H. Or if you have a written question saying that the temperature is lowering, then you go, oh, it's endothermic because the temperature is decreasing. So heat energy must be getting absorbed. So just kind of keep in mind that one. And then the next thing is how we draw that on our graphs. So one of the things we have to think about with the endothermic reactions is, does the reactant or the product, so this is the time of reaction or time, and then this is just the energy. So when we're thinking about this, if I have something in the liquid state, does it have more or less energy than the gas state? Less. So remember, it's going to be absorbing it. So we should have the reactants and then products, because it's going to be like that. Okay, so this here is showing energy that's being absorbed. So if I want to then annotate it with what we have in that diagram, I would be showing that I have CCl3F in the F3, and I'm going to show it as the liquid form. And then what I showed in the product form, CClF3 in the gas state, and then this here is representing the delta H. The delta H is equal to positive, what did they say? 20 something, 25.5, 2. So that energy is being absorbed to allow that change of phase. We're good. So that's what we're looking at. Hopefully that. So basically, it's just the same thing you guys saw yesterday. The only difference is that we've actually put in the example. So I've put in what the reactant is, I put in what the product is, and then I've noted what has happened, which is there's absorption of energy. All right, cool. So I'm gonna pause the recording. I'm trying to think, actually. Should I pause or end? Probably end.